West Springfield right now by the Riverdale Shops. Friendly, Pizza Hut, all these people here are out of power. I'm assuming because of this. That probably is not it. But somewhere around here, there's a, oh, 99's open. Wow, okay. But all the way, use detour. Oh, that's, can we take the long way home, Route 5? I don't want to take the highway.
Yeah, man. It's not even better. Highway's probably worse. Probably the highway is the worst.
Unless,
I don't know how to drive.
and I don't know what's going on. Snowstorm. It looks like the end of the world, but it's actually not.
All the lights on this side are out. All the lights on that side are out.
Oh, all the way up here is out too. Uh-oh, puddle, heads up, slow down. Oh, that's not a puddle. It seems so different without power. Good thing we have enough
It's
gas.
not bad driving. Well, it's bad driving, but it's not bad driving.
It could be
Compared
worse.
to other storms.
Are you serious? You've been through worse than this?
Yeah. Go home with this Ford van and time it's snow like this, the engine got wet and it would stop running halfway through. The wires would be all wet and the engine wouldn't run.
See, look at these roads. They look clean. Are these your high beams?
We used to drive all the way to Harness. My brother used to live an hour and a half away. That's where I used to go deliver.
I thought we're only getting 3 to 6 inches.
It's not that much snow.
Whoa, was that lightning?
Looks like it.
Oh, God. You sure you've been through worse than this?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I sound like such a wuss, but I'm a little nervous. I haven't been... I know, people are gonna go, dude, you're such a wuss. Shut the frick up, you're such a wuss. All those comments down there, you're gonna be like, no, you should grow up, get a life. I'm like, I do have a life. If you were here, you would know what I'm talking about. It's lightning out, you can't see a dang thing. Power's out around here. Dad, I'm talking about YouTube. It looks like a black hole, but it's not a black hole, it's actually normal streets. I'm gonna call Mom right now. I know it is, but Mom's like crazy, like she's paranoid. Alright. Lights go on, it starts to get really cold in the house. Take the birds out, put them in the car, go find a gas station that's open, fill up your gas. David still has power, so I'm assuming we have power too, right? I'm gonna try Mom again. I don't know why it's not going. Probably so many people on the cell phone.
There's no power to the cell tower.
I got it. No, this power.
There's no power to cell towers. Electricity's out, so the cell towers don't have no power.
Hi, Mommy. We're going home now. Do you know Riverdale Shops, like all like that way to the like Costco's, that long way? It's all out of power. We're like, Mom, I have videos on my YouTube account. Go to Ant133. Go to my there. I have videos and stuff. I gotta hang up, Mom. I have low battery. All right, love you too. Bye bye. Yeah, look up on my YouTube channel. Okay, bye-bye. I gotta shut off my phone.
Oh, this radio don't have power.
They have power. Alright, I'm shutting off my phone.
Look at power up ahead.
Whoa, why are those lights like that?
These traffic lights are blinking.
It's an SOS sign. No, it's not an SOS.
I don't know, they got the lights blinking. I don't know, maybe they got emergency generators for those lights. I don't know if those lights are running on emergency generators or if they're part of the lights here.
Watch out, trees down. Go in the other lane. Did the cars come in the other lane? It is.
Maybe that's why they got the lights like that. You're right. There must be SOS lights. Unless they have them going like that because it's SOS lights. Probably aren't.
These lights work. Oh my god, I am so nervous. I shouldn't be, but I so am.
That's good observation, yeah.
Stay in the middle of the road. I don't care if someone honks at you. If they honk at you, get on the side of the road. Stay in the middle.
That's a good observation that you noticed it. And the lights were blinking. You said, those SOS lights. You're probably right. Probably not there. Probably got them programmed to blink like that if there's an emergency.
I love you.
Pat in the back for that one.
Which way to go now? Are you gonna go to
I'm not going to go to the upper road. I'm going to go to the lower road. Lower road, Doyle.
Okay.
I don't have to go down the hill.
This way.
Well, here we don't have to go down the hill. We just go straight and go to the bridge. That way, we go up the hill, then we gotta go back down. That's why I take the road. Then it takes us to South Hadley.
I think so. Turn. Yeah. I don't know. I have my phone off, so if I ever need it. How's it going around?
Go, pal. You gonna sit here all night?
Go, go. That guy's just backing up.
Don't go if he's going.
Go!
You wanna go?
Go!
You knew he was stuck there. That's why he stopped. Let him go.
Oh crap.
He was too
Pull
close.
over in here. Pull over in here.
He was too close.
What the hell's going on?
Switch back in. He got too close to the plow. That's his whole problem. Out on the road. Try and keep that road open. That road's
Right.
a pain in the ass. Is it a big hill there?
Yeah.
That's a lot of road.
Go! Go! Go, Dad. Just go. Go, Dad. Just go.